That's the city. And आज इंडिया की याद आ गई यार. यार shit man, इंटरनेट ख़त्म होने वाला है. What's up guys, welcome back to another day at sea. And like I said, this was a surprise for you all and even for us. There's a new port which was added on this route, and abhi I just woke up and I'll go get my breakfast and go on the bridge, and then we do the arrival. Christopher, he's preparing the flags now, and you can see the red flag, and then now he will prepare the house flag, which will be the Maersk flag. And apparently we've got this new news that pilot has changed by 2 hours, so we have to wait another 2 hours till 11 o'clock. And yeah, that's how it is in Colombo. I have experienced it before. Today is like an overcast kind of cloudy weather, and I hope when we arrive Colombo it's bright and sunny, because I want to show you guys the city. It's quite beautiful, and we just got call from pilot station saying that you have to wait for 2 hours more. So let's see if I'll be called for arrivals, because it will be in my rest hours. And for now I can see the city over there. It's quite nice and beautiful. I don't know if the GoPro is able to capture that. Still no signs of pilot, and maybe there's a big congestion in the port and there'll be a delay. So let's see how it goes. So guys, scene was something like I had to be for arrival, but due to the delay, further delay, maybe 2-3 hours more, so we came alongside by 1600. So by that time I was sleeping. Not sleeping, I went to the gym. But let's see now if that will be an issue with my tiredness. But yeah, we are in the port of Colombo, Sri Lanka. That's how it is in the evening. But I'm going to give you a good look of it in the morning, because on the other side we have the city, which is really close by, and it looks really pretty. So that will be a good sight tomorrow morning. So we'll continue the video tomorrow. And for now I've come to take the density, my favorite job. Yeah, and we've got some different kind of ships over here now, and tomorrow morning I'll give you good insights of all these new things which we are seeing here. Of course, I'm waiting for the SIM card, but the agent didn't get the SIM card, and I'm super furious. Again, back to Colombo in the morning, 6 o'clock. There's the buildings I was talking about, and it feels like I'm in Mumbai, because in Mumbai also, you know, the south side, it looks something like this with all the high rises and buildings. But unfortunately, I am still kilometers away from India. But it feels good. It feels like being you know, at home. Guys, this over here we have the anti-rolling tank. This is the anti-rolling tank, which you can see. Basically, anti-rolling tank, we fill it up when there's heavy weather, so you know, it provides the vessel some good stability for preventing the, you know, roll capacity. We can fill around 1800 tons, so it's quite a lot. It's a big tank, and I have seen this only on this class of ships, and now I don't think they have it anymore. Also, this ship had fin stabilizers, which are now discarded because yeah, they didn't work so well. So now the sun has come out, and you can see the city behind over there more clearly. I'll go to the bridge later and I'll show you. Yes, good morning sir, this is Emma Maersk. Just for information, 1 hour notice for completion of cargo over. Copy that, we'll call you once we complete. So that was the notice given to the port control, so they prepare and they arrange our pilots and everything. So now I'll go to the bridge and start preparing, and yeah, chief officer he takes over from me for the deck, because we are short of guys, and the second officer he's resting, and you know, his rest hours won't be in compliance. So let's go to the bridge. At this gantry crane drivers, how close they are to us, and there are 2 of them. They're just picking up the container or loading it. There they go. Yeah, I'm here now to prepare the bridge. Oh, before that, let me show you the city. It's such a beautiful sight right now. You will enjoy it. There's the city. Like I was telling you guys, it looks like Mumbai from here, and I've missed. In fact, I miss India so much today. It's unbelievable. I think I've started feeling homesick. 2 months and already feeling homesick. Ah, that's the reality. But yeah, the port is quite pretty. You can see. And once I go forward, I'm going to show you the breakwaters at a closer range. Everything is okay.
I'll take a look.
Okay, thank you. So I'm going to show you how the telegraph is tested, just for your information. So I take over the service first, and then we just give commands, and the engine room has to follow accordingly. Once it's done, yeah, then we go on the port side, on the bridge wings, to test the telegraphs, and same thing. But the telegraph over here is quite small, and you know, it's quite a cute kind of a toy. But yeah, oh, the mood brightens up as soon as the sun comes up. Somehow it's beautiful, guys. That's the small one. Telegraph testing, guys. So we test the telegraphs and also the emergency telegraphs simultaneously. Lights have got busted due to the heavy rain. That has to be fixed. There is Kanyakumari, and we'll be passing so close, and yet I cannot go. But by the way, I managed to get a SIM card, and I uploaded 2 videos, so I'm really happy about that fact. In less than 5 hours I was able to do everything, so that's good news on this port. Rest, it was too short and too what do you call it, too compact, or क्या बोलते हैं इसको, भूल गया मैं. Let me show you guys fenders. These are known as fenders, and what they do is when the ship comes alongside, so they help in cushioning and so that the ship does not hit the jetty, you know. So these are the big fenders. Yeah, and within how much? 14-16 hours we finished the entire port operation, and yeah, it was quite fun. I don't know if you remember, but this MSC Jocelyn, you see right here. You've seen my Ningbo video, and it was in front of us, and it has been following us since China, and like looks like we are doing the same route. So yeah, it's crazy to see the same ship again and again, and just behind us. Before it was in front of us, and now it's behind us. Yeah, and yeah, let's take the drop. This forward portion is incredibly pretty, as you can see here. And there's Emma, nicely alongside. And yeah, the forward part is actually quite pretty, guys. We're just at the end of the jetty, and I will show you that just in a moment. And yeah, that's the end of the pier. Here it is. That's the maybe office kind of thing. Remove the lines from auto tension so that we can pick up the tugs now. And yeah, nice and blue, hot, but it's good. So guys, here we are for the mooring station now, final mooring station from the Indian Ocean, and then we just go.
Very good.
Captain looks like he's always in the happy mode somehow.
Emma forward, let go everything.
Let go everything, copy that, Captain. Yeah, mooring operations are done, and the port is incredibly beautiful. I mean, it's looking so good right now. You can see the office building I was trying to show you from the jetty, and there's the Indian Ocean, and there is, okay, let me show you the special kind of platform or ship. I don't know what it is over here. Looks like a Chinese platform. Not exactly sure what it is, because it could be like something for supply, or maybe some heavy machinery on that platform. Who knows? But yeah, let's make a time lapse of the breakwaters and approach. I know you guys like it, and yes, after that I'll see you later. Guys, mazak nahi kar raha, sachi mein, this looks like Mumbai, and I'm missing home so much today somehow. And you know, all the stevedores were also like not Indians but Sri Lankans, but you know, when you go to Kerala and Chennai, you get the same vibes and same feeling. So it was like being at a home port, you know. And yeah, they were good guys. They gave me a SIM card, so I'm so happy. Yeah, and that was the time lapse of we swinging the bow to starboard, and that's the lighthouse right over there. That's the breakwater entrance. And I remember Sri Lanka Dondra.
1 man out for side, gangway for.
I remember Sri Lanka's Dondra lighthouse, which was really famous because in Tolani we had this captain called Captain Banerjee, and used to always give us questions based on that. And I think in the chart book book also we have Dondra lighthouse. So whenever I see this lighthouse in Sri Lanka, it's like, that's Dondra. No, Dondra is more south, and we passed it. Our tugs are going now, and that'll be the end of our departure, and we're almost about to hit the breakwaters. And once that finishes, then I'll go on the bridge. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this journey along with me. Every port I'm trying to cover and make a vlog. And next what I'll do is I'll start a series of engine room and maybe the sailing diaries, you know. So let's see how it goes. And that would be the breakwater, and there is Indian Ocean. Long sail, no more ports for at least 2 weeks.
Forward, that will do for you, thank you.
Captain, done forward. I'll put the anchor bars down.
Yes, please.
Copy that. Like you said, done forward. Anchor bars I'll put down, and let's go to the mighty ocean. So, yeah, do subscribe to the channel and do give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Stay tuned, and I'll see you back from another day at sea. Thank you. Amazing sight. You can see the rain clouds